30 जानेवारी 2015 ह्या दिसा वास्को मांगोरिलार कामत पॅलेस हावजिंग सोसायटीच्या फ्लॅटात हो खून जाल्लो. प्रतिमान तिची माय उषा नायक आनी भावजय नेहा नायकाक मारून तांच्यो वस्ती फारायल्ल्यो आनी त्यो लिपोवंक तिचे भावजी कडेन दिल्ल्यो. पयलीं तांकां न्हिदीची वखदां दिवन बेशुद्ध केलीं आनी उपरांत मायक गळो ओंदून आनी भावजयक उशान फुगासांव करून मारली. प्रतिमा कोर्टान जल्मठेपेची ख्यास्त फर्मायल्या.
Today passed a sentence in the Pratibha Naik murder case of Vasco police station. The Honorable Court has held that for the offence of murder punishable under section 302 of IPC, the accused is sentenced to undergo imprisonment for life and payment of fine of rupees 25,000 or in default 2 years of simple imprisonment. For the offence under section 380 IPC, the Honorable Court held that the accused is sentenced to undergo simple imprisonment for a period of 3 years and a payment of fine of rupees 10,000. For the offence of section 328 IPC, the accused is sentenced to undergo a simple imprisonment for a period of 3 years and a payment of fine of rupees 10,000. All the fines are held to run concurrently. The Honorable Judge further held that if the fine amounts are deposited, the amount shall be paid as compensation to the two sons of late Usha Naik, that is Siddharth Naik and Praveen Naik, in terms of section 357 of CRPC 1973.
Straight away to solve the crime, Pratima has been implicated. There is no clear-cut statement from the prosecution as to how she came to be investigated or how she came to be implicated. This is a question mark because the IO, the second IO, pushes it on the first IO. First IO has said nothing of suspicion towards Pratima. So how at all she came to be arrested on 2nd of February 2015 has not been answered.
प्रतिमान माय भावजयेच्यो वस्ती लिपोवंक दिल्लो तो भावोजी अभिजिताक पुलिसांनी एकेशीत माफीचो साक्षीदार केलो. प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.